Watercress is a leafy plant that is often overlooked over other greens like kale or spinach. But this tiny green is a potent weapon in terms of detoxification and the amount of nutrients it contains. In this article, we'll look at the numerous advantages of watercress for health and the reasons to consider including it in your diet. Detoxification is a procedure that our bodies naturally go through to rid itself of harmful substances. Watercress is a natural cleanser due to its rich mineral and vitamin content. It is especially rich of vitamins A, C as well as K and a variety of essential minerals like iron, manganese, calcium, and these nutrients are able to aid the body's detoxification process, aiding in the elimination and breakdown of toxic substances. One of the main components in watercress that is responsible for its detoxification capabilities is isothiocyanate. It has been proven to possess anticancer properties and may hinder cancer growth in certain kinds of tumor cells. Research has also revealed that isothiocyanate helps detoxify carcinogens and decrease the chance of developing cancer. Incorporating watercress into your diet could help protect you from this fatal disease. Alongside its cleansing benefits, watercress is extremely nutritious. It is regarded as one of the nutrient-rich vegetables, which means it packs a significant amount of minerals and vitamins into one small portion. This makes it a great option for those looking to boost their intake of nutrients. Watercress is especially rich in vitamin C. It is vital to build a strong immune system. Vitamin C is believed to increase white blood cell production that are essential for fighting off diseases and infections. Incorporating watercress into your diet, you will boost your immune system with an extra boost and safeguard yourself from common ailments like flu and colds. Another nutrient in which watercress is rich in is vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential to maintain healthy eyes and good vision. It also plays an important role in maintaining healthy skin and a robust immune system. By adding watercress to your diet, you will ensure that you get sufficient amounts of this vital vitamin. Calcium is a different mineral that is found in watercress. It is essential to keeping strong teeth and bones. It is especially important for older people and children because they are more prone to bone-related problems like osteoporosis. Incorporating watercress in your diet, you will be able to improve your bone health and decrease the chance of developing bone-related issues later in life. Iron is a different mineral that is abundant in watercress. Iron is vital in the production of hemoglobin, which is a protein that transports oxygen through the entire body. If you don't have sufficient iron, you could feel fatigued, weak, and trouble concentration. If you ensure that you get enough intake of iron via foods such as watercress, you will be able to boost your general well-being and energy levels. In addition to its detoxification properties and high nutrient content, watercress is also extremely adaptable in kitchens. Its slightly bitter and peppery taste makes it an excellent ingredient in sandwiches, salads, and stir-fries. It can be mixed into smoothies or as a garnish in stews and soups. With its vibrant green color and smooth texture, watercress is a great addition to taste and visual appeal to dishes. In the end, watercress is an amazing detoxifying and nutritionally rich wonder that is worthy of a spot in your daily diet. Its high mineral and vitamin content, along with its cleansing properties, makes it a great option for promoting overall health and well-being. If you decide to eat it as a salad, sandwich, or blend it into smoothies, adding watercress in your diet will provide many health benefits. Why not give this underappreciated vegetable an opportunity to experience the benefits of watercress for yourself?